Unlocking the profit with Pinterest and affiliate marketing? Ah, what a winning combination. Are you an avid pinner who spends hours curating to the perfect board on Pinterest? Did you know that all that time and effort could translate into a lucrative income? Welcome to the world of Pinterest and affiliate marketing, a dynamic duel that can help you turn your passion into profits. Hey, I'm Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Welcome back, and we're going to talk about how we can take affiliate marketing and Pinterest and make some money. All right, don't forget to hit that share, that like, and hit that bell. And on with the show. Okay, choose your niche. The first step is to select a niche or a topic you're passionate about, and that has a sensational audience on Pinterest. Popular niches include fashion, home improvement, health and wellness, and more. Create high-quality pins. You'll need visual appealing pins to succeed on Pinterest. Design eye-catching graphics or use high-quality images related to your chosen niche. Pins should be informative, engaging, and tailored to your target audience. Build boards. Organize your pins into boards that revolve around specific topics or themes within your chosen niche. Ensure your boards have descriptive titles, relevant keywords for better discoverability. Pin constantly. Regularly add fresh content to your boards to engage followers constantly. Is key to growing your audience on Pinterest. Join affiliate programs. Research and enjoying affiliate programs related to your niche. Look for reputable programs and products or services that align with your Pinterest content. Create valuable content. Develop content that is provide value to the audience. Now, that being said, you go to canva.com and you should be able to start making pins right there. This will solve a lot of problems right there. And in Canva, so this part 1 of 2. Look out for part 2 in the coming days. As always, this is Scott. Happy pinning.